Hello everyone, I decided to share with you this strawberry banana smoothie. So if you're interested in making your strawberry smoothie, let's go ahead and let's make our smoothie. So I have some strawberry, clean and cut strawberry and banana. So we are going to be using 3 ingredients to make this our smoothie. It's very delicious and it's very rich. So let's go ahead and put our strawberry in the blender. Then we are going to go ahead and cut our banana into smaller size. So start preparing our smoothie. If you've not liked, do not forget to hit the like button on this video and remember to leave any of your questions in the comment section. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my banana into smaller size. You can as well use 2 ripe banana to make your smoothie with your strawberry, but I'm only going to use 1 banana to make my smoothie, and I'm going to go ahead and add the other ingredients with this my smoothie. So I'm going to cut it into a smaller size. Actually, I have this habit when I'm making smoothie for my family, I normally eat half of the banana. So the best way for me not to do that's why I'm cutting it now. So I'll just put it straight to the blender, and then we're going to go ahead and add our chilled milk into this. So I'm using a cup of chilled milk. I'm using whole milk. I'm not using low fat milk. I'm using whole milk for this. So I'm going to go ahead and cover it, and then we start blending our smoothie. It's very rich, it's very delicious, and it's very balanced, and it's very hard. When you try this smoothie, you're going to love this smoothie. Actually, the first time I tried this, I have not even checked it on YouTube. I didn't even know that people even some of my recipe, I just think of it and I just start doing it, and I find out that other people are even doing those things. It's not new. So as I said, so I tried this smoothie, and the first time I tried it, I had a grapes, and it tastes really good. And I'm going to share more smoothie recipe with you, the one I make for my family, and my family really love it. So this is the outcome after I finish blending it. So I'm going to put it in a cup. You can as well use a transparent glass cup to do that. Anything you feel like using is fine. So this is what I normally love to use to drink my smoothie, because I can handle the hand. So this is our strawberry and banana smoothie, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you really love this smoothie recipe. Make me happy by subscribing and hit this bell icon so you get updates of my new recipe, and do not forget to leave comment and like and share with your friends. Thanks so much. I will see you in my next recipe.